Do you know what the biggest internet marketing trend this year is? No, it's not social, it's video marketing. YouTube is already bigger than Facebook, more people are visiting it, and people are spending more time on it. YouTube is where everyone goes when they need to find, well, everything. Learning, discovering new products, finding product reviews. Nearly everyone visits YouTube once before making a purchase decision. If you can tap into the huge YouTube audience, you will reap huge rewards, more traffic, more conversions, and more sales year after year because YouTube traffic is really long-term. So what's your strategy to get a piece of this huge pie? Do you feel ready? Do you have the skills and the knowledge to be the master of your niche and start driving traffic from YouTube today? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a formidable tool to help you dominate your market without breaking your back. Absolute and utter domination. Results the likes of which you've never imagined you can achieve. I am talking about hundreds of thousands of visitors a month. That's what we achieved with one of our channels, just one. Let's show you something amazing. This is a YouTube Silver Play button. You only get it when you have more than 100,000 YouTube subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, I'm betting you won't see this in your friend's living room. We got this for 2-Minute English, our YouTube channel that now has over 192,000 subscribers and 21 million views. If you think that's the best we can do, check this out. Here's Rhymecast, another YouTube channel that we own, and it has a total of 72 million views right now. This is not the best either. Our users have achieved even more amazing results. It gets crazier and crazier. Are you ready to find out how we can achieve such fantastic results? This is Traffic Jeet 4. It's the fourth and updated release of the world's most powerful video SEO suite. We've been helping video marketers dominate YouTube since 2013 with Traffic Jeet, and now the latest fourth release is updated for the latest developments and breakthroughs in video SEO. It is designed to make video rankings so simple that even a newbie can rise to the top of YouTube. So if you're looking to get more traffic, more sales, and more visitors to your offers from YouTube, Traffic Jeet 4 is something you absolutely need today. With 6 powerful different modules, it has everything you will ever need to dominate YouTube. Take a look at what it could do. At the heart of the app is Traffic Jeet itself, the most powerful keyword research app custom made for video SEO. Yes, you get the best research in minutes, not hours. Next, we have YT Best Keywords, an innovative application that implements our unique algorithm to find the best keyword from any list you give it. Give it 5 keywords and it will tell you which keyword will give you the most traffic. Then you also get YT Add Keywords. Now, this unique application will take your Google Keyword Planner keywords and then analyze them for video traffic. You get to unlock the most amount of traffic for the best price. And that's only halfway. It just gets better. You also get Tube Tracker, the best rank tracking system ever built for YouTube. You could track keywords, videos, and channels, stack up your competitors against yourself. You could even track on regional and local versions of YouTube. The next module is the YT Tag Finder. It gives you the tags for any competitor video in a matter of seconds. Infiltrate and take your competition's research in seconds. The last powerful module is YT Niche Finder. Ever wonder what sub-niches, what opportunities you can unlock in your niche? Niche Finder will lay your niche bare and show you everything. That's absolutely all you will need to power your mega YouTube channel. Don't aim less, aim for thousands of subscribers and tens of thousands of views a day. That's the kind of audience that Traffic Jeet 4 can help you build for real. If you want real video marketing success, real growth, and real results from the efforts you make, get Traffic Jeet right now. What you see here on this page is a super special deal. You could grab Traffic Jeet for less than what you'd otherwise pay for just one module from the suite. Become a proud owner of Traffic Jeet today, and let's get started by putting you on the first page of YouTube search results. Don't worry, your investment is protected. You're covered with our 100% refund guarantee. If you are not extremely happy with the results that Traffic Jeet gets for you, Just ask for a refund from our support desk within 30 days. We'll send you back all your money and disable your Traffic Jeet access. Don't waste a moment longer thinking about something that's a no-brainer from the start. Make Traffic Jeet yours and get set to rule video marketing.
Camera on YouTube and knows the man with the hat. There you go. So I wanted to just give a brief testimonial today about Traffic Jeet by Cyril Gupta. Really, really nice piece of software here. And at the starting price of $21, even once it goes to $37, frankly, this thing is a no-brainer to pick up. I mean, seriously, go ahead and buy it. You're going to love it. Actually make use of it, and you're going to dominate YouTube. As simple as that.
Hey guys, welcome to Traffic Jeet. This is the core application in the Traffic Jeet suite, and this is the most powerful video SEO research application that you will see for keywords and rankings. Let's get right to the business and see what it does. So the first module, it's got a number of modules, each one does a separate function. The first module in Traffic Jeet, you can find keywords related to any keyword that you put in. So I'm just gonna quickly put in a random keyword and then click go. It's just going to take a few seconds to find the keywords from YouTube, and it's going to show you a lot of related keywords to the keyword that you put in. So I put in funny cat and I can see a lot of related keywords. I think the first time it shows you 100, and you can find more and more. Now it's got some special features. If you want, you can actually view the video that that are ranking for this keyword. So if I want to see what videos are ranking for funny talking cats, I can click the play button and it's going to find some special info for me. It's going to show me what videos are ranking for that keyword. You can go back to the keyword list by using the tabs over here, and you can also find a similarity score. So depending on how similar the keyword is in spirit, and you can actually find a similarity score. So if you use a lot of similar keywords in YouTube, the advantage is you could be found for another one of the related keywords. For example, if you use funny talking cats alongside funny cat and you use all the keywords that are similarity 1, there is a chance that you might be found even for a keyword that you didn't target but with the same similarity level, and that can help you get ranked better by if you target all the keywords of the same similarity level. Then it's also got Google page 1 rank checking. So for any of these keywords, you can find out whether there's a video on the first page of Google, and if there is no video on the first page of Google, you can target that video, you can target that keyword and try to rank your video on the first page of Google. So this is something that you can use to rank on Google as well as YouTube. So let's check a couple of keywords. Now I know this is a pretty generic keyword, so there's a chance that there's a video for almost every one of these keywords, but depending on the niche that you are targeting, there's a chance that you will find a lot of videos which don't have any video on the front page of Google, and you can use that to monetize your niche better. Then you can export the keywords to a CSV file if you want and analyze it whatever way, make a spreadsheet and do whatever with it that you want. So all of that is already here. If you click on this button, check videos on Google #1, it's going to check for all the videos. So one by one, it's going to run the check on all the keywords, and it's going to show you exactly which keyword doesn't have a video on the front page of Google. The next section we got is top videos, and you actually saw a little glimpse in the keyword research keyword section 2. So again, put in any keyword you want and just click go, and Traffic Jeet is going to give you the top videos for that keyword. So you can scroll through the video list, you can see what exactly is the category that the video is targeting, how many likes it has, how many comments it's generated, how many views it's got, how many dislikes it's got, and how old it is. You can also take the description if you want to write your own description, if you want to target and make it easy for yourself to create a new description optimization properly. You can take the optimization that's been done for the top videos and that's going to help you a lot. If you click on the lens button, it's going to show you a video analysis, and we'll get to that in a moment when we look at the analyze video section. So this is going to help you find out what kind of videos are ranking for the keyword that you're targeting, and you can decide whether you want to make something similar or what kind of content you should make to try and rank for the keyword that you want to work with. You can also sort this according to views, comments, likes and dislikes, so you can see what are the videos that are getting the most engagement. If you want to target engagement, try and target the videos that are kind of the videos that are getting the most engagement. Now let's go to the analyze video section and see what it does. So in the video analyze video section, paste in the URL of any video and you will get more details about it, like all the things that it's targeting, all the stats that it's got, and you will also see the tags for the video. So if it's targeting any tags, you will see the tags. This video has no tags, that's why there's no data, but if the video is targeting tags, you will see it there. And next we have the video ranker, and this system will tell you how exactly is a video ranking for a particular keyword, and you can use it to compare your videos with the performance of your competition. So if you're trying to rank for a particular niche, or you're trying to discover how the videos are doing in a particular niche, particular keyword, you can put that keyword in there. For example, I've put in cat niche, and you can put in all the videos that you want to check, and in there I've put in only one video actually, and it's going to show you exactly how the ranking for this video changes over time, like what was the rank on a certain date, then what is the rank on the next date, in a very visual bar graph sort of a format. And this is going to help you understand what videos are going up and down, what are the videos that are doing well, what are the videos that are doing not so good, and you will be able to keep a track of the ranking. You'll be able to see how your ranking evolves over time and what videos are rising, so that you can create the same kind of content, or you can create content that targets that video. The next section is keyword checker, and using this particular tool you can find what are the videos, what are the keywords that don't have any video on the front page of Google, by putting in a list. So if you got a list of keywords that you might have got from other software, or you might have got from a keyword analysis that you might have done yourself, you can just paste that in, click on check for videos, and Traffic Geek is going to tell you which of those videos don't have a video on the front page, and you can just target that video and try and rank for that keyword. Finally, you've got the rank checker. This is a quick and dirty rank checking system that can let you find out how a video is ranking for any keyword over time. So you can track your own keywords, you can track your competitors' keywords, and see how you're performing or how they're performing over time on ranking. Let me show you how it works. So the first thing, you want to give it a little title, and you want to put in the URL of the video that you want to check the ranking. So here's our URL, and click on add new video and click on open. And you need to put in the keyword that you want to target, that you want to check for. Click OK, and it's getting the fresh rankings. Right now you can see that for funny cat, the video that I targeted is ranking number 1. And over time, as it collects more data, it's going to show you a visual graph that will tell you how the ranking is moving. And you can compare this for maybe the top 10 videos for the keyword that you were targeting, and you can see what videos are moving up, what videos are moving down, and that's going to help you decide what kind of content to create and to know what kind of content really works on YouTube. Hey guys, one of the most important things for SEO is to find the keywords that will actually get the traffic. Now, if you got about 15 keywords that you can choose from, you got to pick one, because you can't devote all the resources that you have to all 15. So out of the many keywords that you get, out of the many choices that you get, you often need to pick up only one. Now, if you're doing Google SEO, there's a way to find out which keyword will give you more traffic, because Google has tools for that. But for YouTube, there's absolutely nothing that will tell you which keyword is more valuable, unless we made the YT best keywords. In this software, what we're doing is we're using a very special technology, what we call the horde analysis technology, to find out which keywords are actually more valuable. Let's take a group of keywords that I just picked up, and let's put it in YT best keywords. Put that in, and then just click on find best keywords. It's going to take a little while because it's going to analyze a lot of things. It's not just going to analyze the keyword that you fed in. It's going to analyze a lot of associated keywords to find out exactly which keyword is going to give you the best results. For example, in this particular group that we set up, the best keyword is funny cat, and then you've got mad cats, and then funny cat video. So it's going to give you very conclusively quite a certain response about the value of each keyword, and this way you can actually identify which keyword is going to be more important for you, which keyword can get you the most traffic, and target that. Don't leave that to chance anymore, because this tool can solve this problem conclusively, and this is the only tool that can do this for you. Now give it a group of any keywords, put in 10, 15, any number you want, and it's going to tell you and give you in order what are the most valuable keywords in that niche and what keywords are the least valuable.